Everybody, thanks for checking out our video. Today we got a 2016 Audi Q5 Premium 2.0, 97,000 miles on it. Just serviced it, fresh oil change, new upper timing cover gasket. Drives really well. Do a quick walk around here. See, she's in really good shape. Go ahead and check out the inside. Has the big panel sunroof, heated seats, leather, dual climate zone. Really nice car. 97,000 miles. And if this is something you might be interested in, definitely give us a shout, 228-438-2056. You can call us or text us or check out more of our inventory at www.theautoconnectllc.com. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you have an Audi, Volkswagen, Porsche, or other foreign or domestic luxury vehicle, definitely give us a holler. Our repair shop could definitely, hopefully help y'all out. Thank you for checking out this video.